of smiles, a land of tears. We've walked through pain, through so many years.
Broken roads and silent cries, history written in children's eyes. From the ashes, hearts still stand, holding hope with trembling hands.
We remember, we forgive.
For tomorrow, we choose to live.
Cambodia needs peace tonight. Needs love to heal the fight.
Let the guns be laid to rest.
Let our children dream their best.
Cambodia needs peace. We pray
A brighter,
gentle day.
hand in hand we rise as one.
Under one warm rising sun.
Fields once burned, now growing green. Faith is stronger than what we've seen.
Voices sing from near and far. Every soul knows who we are.
No more tears.